Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Tariq Said, and okay. I had the opportunity to work in Rabba for about 32 to 33 years, designing and planning Jemaat's projects. I had the opportunity to work with the Institute of Architects and Engineers, Ahmadi Architects and Engineers in Rabwa, Pakistan. I had a chance to give my services to Fazl Umar Hospital, and I designed Zubeda Bani Hospital in late 1990s. And Dr. Nusrat Jahan Sahib was, late Dr. Nusrat Jahan Sahib was associating with me to work out the needs and requirements and features of the Zubeda Bani wing. I did many other projects in these 32 years in Rabwa. Building hospitals in foundation of care for the service of humanity. The Quran states if anyone has saved a life, it is like he saved the whole humanity. Next, please. No, that's okay. I've been a professor at National College of Arts and served National College of Arts for 32 years. In the same time, I started going to Rabba for projects in there almost at every weekend. I did a lot of work in Rabba. With the Jemaat, there I associated with Mail Sahib as well. My services start from Khalifa Salis Sahab's time in 1971. And then, under the instructions of Khalifa Rabbi, I did many projects in Rabba. And when I was doing Zubeda Bani wing, and I completed Zubeda Bani wing on the day when it had its inauguration. Nazisabala Rabba Masoor Ahmad Sahib was the chief guest, and I was asked to give a note on features of planning of Zubeda Bani wing. After me, Masoor Ahmad Sahib made his speech and dua. Then after, Masoor Ahmad Sahib was requested to visit Zubeda Bani wing. And all the guests followed to visit the Zubeda Bani wing. 1 month after this occasion, Hazur became the 5th Caliph of the Jamaat. I had association with Hazur since that time, and I did many projects under his instruction. Next, please. Then I had the opportunity to work with IAAE, Institute of Architects and Engineers, MT Architects and Engineers in Pakistan. MD Architect and Engineers Association was established in Khalifa Salih's time in 1971. Under the mentorship of Khalifa Salih's, I also had the opportunity to work on different projects. Now, as you look at this slide, the projects marked in red, I was the lead architect for these projects, and the buildings marked in blue. The buildings were there, but I was asked to do remodeling these projects. And the projects marked in yellow are the projects which I did in a team work with other architects and engineers. Next. Now, zoning is important to control the spread of infection in hospitals. It is very important. If you look at the plan of this Bimaristan, which was built in late 13th century in Cairo, Egypt, this Bimaristan has 3 zones. As you can see on the plan, in each zone there are rooms around the main courtyards. Each room was for one patient to control the spread of infection. The zoning is very important in design of hospital. In the study of this Bimaristan, I looked at this Bimaristan. The main courtyards were without roof to receive natural light and fresh air. And rooms are arranged around it. Next, please. This is a view of Zubaida Bani. Is a simple building. There is no aesthetics, or I could not play with aesthetics and all that in here because hospitals are the functional projects. Now, here you can see the dashed line mark the site of Fazl Umar Hospital. And in here, originally, the Fazl Umar Hospital was a small, much smaller concern, which is marked in yellow. The rest of the site was vacant. Later on, next please. Later on, the 2 projects were added here. One which I designed is Zubaida Bani Wing for gynecology, is marked in red. The other is marked in blue, is Tahir Art Institution. Next. Now here you can see the ramps and corridors running to different levels immediately to approach in take the patient to the concerned area without wasting time. On the left, you can see the main lobby of the hospital. Next. Here you see we managed to have ambulance parking very next to these ramps and corridors. And on the left. On the right, you can see the doctor's parking and medical staff parking, which is also next to the ramps and corridors on the other hand. Now, here you can see one of the architectural plan of the Zubaida Bani wing. It is divided in two zones. The blue zone highlights the public area. There is main entrance, lobby, waiting area, staircase connecting to all that levels of the hospital for public. And the next, you can see marked in green is semi-public area. This includes many departments, gynecology, labor rooms, wards, and other treatment rooms. But the area marked in red is highly sensitive. As you can see, there are OTs and doctor's lounge, and it is very restricted for people. Only doctors and patients can go in this area. Next. Here you can see the ramp running from basement level to the top of the building. Yes, this section shows in red the ramps running from basement to the top of the building. On the side, you can see the view. In this slide, you can see I designed the buildings in Rabwa, playing with material and shapes to achieve aesthetics. But in hospital, we can't do it because the focus in hospital is on functions and zoning. Next. Here you can see the other projects which I've done in Rabwa. On the left, this is a picture of a proposed Sadar Anjuman office. It's a picture of a model. And one on the right, you can see one block has already been built, which has 6 floors, including basement. Next. This is a view of Sarai Masroor and Rabwa, which I designed about 10 years back. Next. Now, thank you very much for having me. Thank you.